In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add extra product options in WooCommerce. We'll walk through this step by step inside your WordPress dashboard, so you can let customers choose things like size, color, or material directly from your product page. First, log into your WordPress admin area. On the left-hand side, look for the menu item called Products. Hover your mouse over it, and from the options that appear, click on All Products. This will take you to a list of all the products in your store. Find the product you want to add extra options to and click its name to open it in the editor. Once the product editor is open, scroll down until you see the section called Product Data. This is where most of the important WooCommerce settings live. At the top of this box, there's a drop-down where you can choose the product type. Open that drop-down and make sure variable product is selected. This is essential because only variable products can have different options and variations, like different colors or sizes with their own prices. With variable products selected, look at the tabs on the left side of the product data box and click on Attributes. Here you'll see two main fields, Name and Values. In the Name field, type the label for your option, such as color, size, or material. In the Values field, type the choices you want to offer for that option, separated by a vertical bar or comma depending on your setup. For example, if you're adding colors, you might enter blue, red, orange. When you're done adding the option name and values, make sure any necessary checkboxes like Used for Variations are selected. Then click Save Attributes. Next, stay in the product data section and click the Variations tab on the left. This is where you'll turn those attribute values into actual selectable variations. Click the button to Add Manually. A new row will appear with a drop-down. Click that drop-down and select the specific combination of options you want to create, such as one particular color or size. If you need more variations, click Add Manually again and repeat the process for each combination you want to offer. When you've added all the variations you need, click Save Changes and wait for the product data section to reload. Now, you'll want to add prices to these variations. Look for the option to add price for your variations. A pop-up will appear allowing you to set a price. Enter the amount you want to charge for the selected variation, then click the button to confirm and apply those prices. Once you're happy with all your options and prices, scroll up to the top right of the page. In the Publish area, click the Update button to save your changes. After it finishes updating, your product page will now display the extra options you configured, giving customers a clear and flexible way to choose the exact version of your product they want.